Good morning, my boys and girls. How are you today? Welcome back to our English lesson. Our lesson today is my house. My house. Look at this house. As I told you before, this is my house, okay? It's nice. It's beautiful. Here we have a garden. We have a garden. In the garden, we can play, we can run, we can walk. In the house, there are many rooms. There are many rooms. Okay, what are they? What are they? Let's look and say. Dining room, living room, bedroom, and a kitchen. Again, dining room, living room, bedroom, and a kitchen. Yes, dear. Look at the boy. Look at the boy, please. What does he do? What does he do?
He watches TV.
Very good. He watches TV. He watches TV. What does he do?
He goes to the bed.
He goes to the bed. Very good. Look at Haya. What does she do?
She eats her breakfast.
She eats her breakfast. She eats her breakfast. Okay. Look at the boy again. Where can he watch TV? Where can he watch TV? In the kitchen?
No, he can't.
No, he can't. Where can he watch TV?
He can watch TV in the living room.
Very good. So, he can watch TV in the living room. Very good. He can watch TV in the living room. Look at this one. Where can he sleep? He can sleep
In the bedroom.
Okay. Where is the bedroom? Can you point to the bedroom? Can you point?
Yes, it's a bedroom.
Thank you. So, he can sleep in the bedroom. He can sleep in the bedroom. Very good. Where can Haya eat? Where can she eat?
She can eat in the dining room.
Very good. So, she can eat in the dining room. Okay, dear. Can you tell me what can you do in the kitchen? What can you do in the kitchen?
I can cook.
Very good. I can cook. Thank you for listening. You are very good today. Yes, dear. Now let's listen to Can You song.
Can you swim? Can you dive? Can you ride a bike? Can you run? Can you jump? Can you drive a car? Can you sing? Can you dance? Can you write a song? If you can't, well don't you worry, 'cause you can just try again. Yes, yes, yes I can. No, no, no I can't. Yes, yes, yes I can. No, no, no I can't. Can you skate? Can you ski? Can you climb a tree? Can you cook? Can you bake? Can you eat a pie? Can you write? Can you read? Can you draw for me? If you can't, well don't you worry, 'cause you can just try again. Yes, yes, yes I can. No, no, no I can't. Yes, yes, yes I can. No, no, no I can't.
Yes, dear. Do you like the song? It's amazing. Okay. Yes, I will ask you. What can you do, my friend? Yes, my friend. What can you do?
I can read. I can run.
Yes.
I can walk.
Very good. So she can read, she can run, she can walk, she can jump. Okay. Can you read this word? Can you read it? Yes, can you read this word, please?
Yes, fish.
Very good. fish. What can the fish do? What can the fish do?
The fish can swim.
Very good. So the fish can swim. The fish can swim. Yes, dear. Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Very good. Yes, dear. Look at the port. Look at the horse, okay? Look at the horse. Can the horse fly?
No, it can't.
No, it can't. Very good. What can the horse do?
It can jump.
It can jump and it can run. So the horse can run, the horse can jump, but it can't fly. It can't fly. Very good. Look at the lion, please. Yes. Can you tell me, what can you tell me about the lion? It lives in the zoo. It eats meat. Its color is yellow and brown. So the lion lives in the zoo. It eats meat. Its color is yellow and brown. Look at the lion carefully. Look at the lion. Okay. Can the lion run?
Yes, it can.
Yes, it can. Yes, it can. Thank you. You are very good today. Now, please, look at the board. Look at the board. Who can tell me what is this? What is this, please?
It's a car.
It's a car. Very good. It's a car. What's its color? Is it red?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. What's its color?
It's blue.
It's blue. Do you have a car, my friend?
No, I haven't.
No. Okay, sorry. Look at this one. Yes, who can tell me? What is it?
It's a football.
Very good. Is it a football or basketball?
No, it is a football.
It is a football. Who can use football in a good simple sentence?
I play football.
Very good. Where do you play football?
I play football in the club.
In the club. Me, I play football in the gym. Okay, yes, dear. Do you play football in the living room?
No.
No, it's dangerous to play football in the living room. Okay. Look at the third picture. Look at this one. Who can tell me what is this?
It's an o'clock.
It's an o'clock. Look at the clock here. Can you tell me what is the time?
Yes, I can, miss. Can I say?
Yes.
It's 9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock. Very good. Yes, dear. When do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Okay. Set the time, please. Set the time.
It's 9 o'clock.
No. Set the time. Use the hands and set the time. Okay?
Okay, miss.
You get up at 6 o'clock. Okay, let's do it again. Yes. Set the time, please. Set the hands. Yes, dear.
6 o'clock?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I can draw 6 o'clock.
Yes. Clap to your friend. Thank you. You are excellent girl today. Thank you. Thank you, my dear. Okay? Thank you. Let's read them. Car, football, clock. Car, football, clock. Yes, dear. Clock. Clock. Yes, dear. Do you have a clock in your bedroom?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have. Where do you put it?
On the wall.
On the wall. Thank you. She puts the clock on the wall. You are very good. Yes, dear. Now, please open your book, page 27. Okay. Look at this picture. Okay. Who is he? Who is he?
He is Ali.
He is Ali. Where is Ali?
He is in the bedroom.
He is in the bedroom. Is his bedroom tidy?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. Look here. We can see the toys on the floor, okay? What can you see here?
can see a football. I can see a car.
I can see a basket.
I can see a basketball.
I can see shoes.
Shoes.
Toys. What can you see in the bedroom? What can you see in the bedroom?
I can see a bed.
What else?
I can see an clock.
I can see an clock. Very good. Okay, again. Is his bedroom tidy?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. Yes. What shall he do to keep it tidy? He shall put the toys in the basket. He should put the toys in the basket. Yes, dear. Please keep your bedroom tidy. Keep your bedroom tidy. As a homework, please open your notebook. Write car, football, clock in your notebook. Please pay your attention to your handwriting. Okay? Write from left to right. Please write between the lines. Try to read these words with your mom. Okay? Goodbye. See you later.